The design of the C8243G dial is simple, yet vintage, with Arabic numerals and luminous markers that make each second exceptionally clear. The bowl-shaped high transparency mineral glass is equipped with ultra-fine AR optical coating and a sapphire scratch-resistant layer. The high-quality genuine leather strap is made from top-grain leather on both the surface and underside, hand-stitched with great attention to detail. The underside is exceptionally smooth and soft, providing a comfortable wearing experience. The buckle is crafted from 316L stainless steel, with a solid design that makes it easy to wear, even in the dark. The luminous effect of the C8243G remains bright and clear. The precise luminous design ensures that the time can be easily read in any environment, whether it's a late-night adventure or nighttime work, providing effortless readability. This watch features a 316L stainless steel case with a brushed surface meticulously hand-polished by skilled craftsmen. A vintage-style watch wouldn't be complete without a finely cut bezel, with the notches created by diamond-cutting tools. The bezel has 120 clicks for precise adjustment. The case back is a screw-down design, enhancing its water resistance and overall solid feel. It boasts a 100-meter water resistance, making it both durable and robust. This watch is powered by the Japanese Miyota 8215 movement, which now includes a hacking function. Let me show you how to adjust the time on the watch. First, unscrew the crown to pull it out. The crown typically has two positions. The first position is for setting the date and calendar. In the first position, you can rotate the crown up or down to adjust the date. Be sure to differentiate between AM and PM to ensure the 24-hour format is correctly displayed. Next, pull the crown out to the second position, where you can adjust the time. Once you've set the time, gently push the crown back to its original position. CADISEN is dedicated to perfectly combining precision with aesthetics. Whether it's the classic design or the meticulous craftsmanship, each watch reflects our unwavering pursuit of time and quality. Choose the C8243G and embrace the beauty of timeless vintage style.